Hey guys, what's up? I am back with another video, and right now what I'm showing you guys is the L'Oreal Technique high color highlights, and I have the colors red and magenta, and then I also have some Salon Care 40 volume cream developer. I also have a brush to apply the dye and two bowls, and I got these bowls from Sally Beauty. Everything, the highlights, the brush, the bowls, I got everything from Sally Beauty. So if you do want to know where to get these items, you can go to Sally Beauty. So what I'm doing is I'm emptying out one full tube of the red, and then I'm going to empty out half of the magenta into the red. And look how vibrant this color is. I'm so excited, but I'm also scared because I don't know what I'm gonna do if I don't like it. But I'm just gonna go with it. Something told me like, oh, you'll like the red, you'll like the red. I had this little voice in my head saying, oh, you'll like the red. So I'm gonna just go for it. Life is about risk. So I emptied out one full tube of the red, and now I'm going to go with half of the magenta. I used a brush tail to open the packet, which was really convenient for me. So yeah, just empty out half of the magenta into the bowl, and then you're gonna repeat the process on into the other bowl. And let me tell you guys, this smelled like pure chemicals. Like, I was pretty scared because like not even bleach smells like this. Like when you're bleaching your hair, it doesn't really smell too potent until like it's applied and stuff like that. But man, it was smelling really like chemical-ish and harsh, and I was really scared because I'm like, dang, I'm not doing any bleach, but this sure does smell like bleach. So now that I have my bowls filled, I am ready to add my developer inside. And yeah, I'm just looking at it just to make sure it's looking alright, looking a little even. But yeah, so now we have to add the developer inside, and you want to make sure that the developer gives it a not thick, but like in between thick and watery. Like, you don't want to do it too thick and too watery. You want it to be just right. So I use my discretion. I mean, you can use your discretion. I didn't use any specific measurements, but just go by the eye, and add a little bit at a time, and then it'll work best that way, so you don't put too much developer in it and it'll be too watery. So you guys, I am ready to go. I am excited. I'm scared at the same time. So we're gonna start with the back of my hair. I'm scared, guys. I'm super scared. What if I don't like it? What if it comes out bad? I don't know. So I have my goodness here. Like, it smells like bleach. You can smell the chemical inside of it, which is like creeping me out a little bit. So all right, let's just do it. Because if we don't, we just start. Oh. Baby is the. Oh, this is burning my eyeballs. It's burning my eyeballs. I'm tearing, I'm crying. So I'm gonna get right here. I'm not gonna go too close to my roots because roots tend to die quicker. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to wait until the 15-minute mark, and then I'm gonna put the red on my roots. 15 minutes. Yeah. Around that time. I find it better to put it in my hand, but honestly, that's just me. I'm praying that I like this, guys, because I'm pretty scared right now. And these chemicals, what the? See, here I go, trying to experiment things, and now I'm just sitting here crying. I feel like my hair is barely taking it. But I'm gonna use the brush right here. I don't mind this part of the roots. I just don't want the front of my root. Wowzers. Oh my God, I'm really about to be a redhead, guys. I can't believe it. I really can't. So this video, 5 minutes. So we've been on for 5 minutes. Crazy. Oh. So as you can see, we already went through this whole thing already, but that's why I made 2 batches, because I already knew it was not going to be enough. Yeah, we need to wear some goggles with this because it's like powerful. Ugh. Bleach ain't even that bad. That's the crazy part. Like, why? Like, ooh. How does it feel? It's like, it's definitely tingling. It is definitely tingling, so we're going to leave it on for 30 minutes. Since everything is done. I'm already itching because I feel like, this is just like everywhere. And it's like, it's not burning, but it's definitely tingling, like, I don't know. Let's hope for the best because I'm terrified right now. I'll be back. So these are the results. I definitely missed pieces of my edges, but I can always go back in and fix those. But overall, I think I'm liking it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to style my hair, and I'm going to come back later and show you guys the results. So stay tuned to my dry results. All right, guys, so here's the results.
Boom, bada bing.
What? Be quiet. So this red is absolutely beautiful. It came out so nice. Definitely didn't expect this color, but I'm glad that it came out this way because I am in love with it. And it looks so beautiful on me. I'm just stretching out my curls, make my hair a little bit bigger. It was in a ponytail all day. But yes, you guys, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram at YouLoveSonata with 3 A's and at Medina by Sonata. Lip gloss is by me. Shop my website, www.medinabysonata.com. Love you guys. Comment below and let me know what styles you want to see next. Bye.